So sick. So sick.
Chapter 13 bankruptcy is a bankruptcy for people that make above median income and that have regular wages. Regular wages don't have to be a regular paycheck. It could be someone who's a commissioned salesperson. As long as they have regular income on an annualized basis, they're eligible to file for Chapter 13 bankruptcy. A Chapter 13 bankruptcy allows you to repay your debts over time. If you're behind on your house 6 months or so, the Chapter 13 bankruptcy gives you an opportunity to work that into a plan and repay it over a period of time. In a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, you meet with an attorney. They will advise you about your qualifications and which chapter to file. If Chapter 13 is appropriate for you, then they will sit down and talk to you about your income and your ability to repay your debts. First, what they'll do is talk to you about your secured debts, your home loan, your car loan, any other debts that are secured by collateral that you're going to keep in the bankruptcy. After those secured debts are taken care of and trustees' fees and some other obligations are allowed for, then they'll see what disposable income is available to pay to your unsecured creditors. It is possible in a Chapter 13 bankruptcy that unsecured creditors could receive as little as 5 cents on the dollar. If you're paying back less than 100% of your unsecured debt, you will have to have a 60-month Chapter 13 plan. That means that you'll be making payments to the trustee for a period of 5 years. At the end of that 5-year period, any debt that's not paid off is then discharged, so you have no further obligation to repay the unsecured debt, and then you go back to paying your secured debt as you would have under the contract. You also have the opportunity to have a shorter plan if you can afford to pay back 100% of your unsecured debt in a 36-month, 40-month period. So it is possible to have a shorter plan, but if you do that, you have to pay back 100% of your unsecured debt. You also, during the period of the plan, have to pay back any arrearages on secured property that you're going to keep, any outstanding tax liabilities, and other priority claims. Chapter 13 bankruptcy can be a very positive thing for debtors and businesses because the debts get repaid, the debtor has an opportunity to restructure their debt and increase the cash flow to the family so that they have an ability to repay it over time.